from Bisaya. I'm curious. Hi, nako. Shein is very expensive, guys. The Shein. And my goodness. No, not Im. What is the you received gift, Sis Margie? Shared us. What's the gift? Number 7. From the that's number 7. I will upload soon. Agoy one. Now that is it na. Yes, that's right, Sis Margie. Hala. Number 7 is intimacy and physical connection from the binasa ko yon do ha. Kailangan yan present yan. So if you feel the that's the term price in the relationship. Grabe. And why intimacy is very important. Intimacy is very important in relationship. Why does it yun ka no? Grabe, dami ko talagang mga bots here, bots button here. So why intimacy is extremely important in a relationship? Because it deepens emotional connection. Intimacy fosters a sense of closeness and bonding, creating a deeper understanding of each other's thoughts, feelings, and desires. Have you agreed that, guys? Kuha tayo ng mga highlights dito sa ating topic, guys. And then, it creates shared experiences. Intimate moments become cherished memories, strengthening the bond of creating a shared history. Number 6, it promotes physical and emotional well-being. Intimacy releases oxytocin, reducing stress and anxiety, and improving overall physical and mental health. So that is why that's the important thing. So demonstrates love and affection. Intimacy shows love, care, and appreciation, reinforcing the commitment and love in the relationship. It helps navigate conflicts. Number 8. A strong, intimate connection can help partners navigate conflicts and challenges, emerging stronger and more united. Next, encourage vulnerability. Intimacy creates a safe space for vulnerability, allowing partners to be their authentic selves. We need Boom to make wrong stronger love. Grabe naman, oy. Oh, forbida. So, which means, to those who cannot, hindi na pwede, it's still, guys, holding hands, be with your someone. That is why, yung mga boom na yan ba, it's not about the boom thing, but it is important really. Encourage, strengthens commitment. A healthy, intimate connection reinforces the commitment and dedication to the relationship, building a lasting bond. That is true. Agree it. So, ganoon. Remember, intimacy is a vital aspects of romantic relationship, nurturing emotional, physical, and mental well-being, and fostering a deeper connection with your partner. Remember, you are with someone who doesn't have the intimacy to you, and you okay lang kung your someone is not able already, but if not already, diba? Imagine how to become, no? Important yon. Lasting fire to keep a lasting desire. Wow, sana all. Yes, we need boom. It is important really, guys. Actually, it is. Grabe, no? So, continue naman tayo sa ating topic. Why partner run away if there's no sexual attraction? O, sexual naman itong topic natin, guys. Magagalit na talaga dito si Whitey. So, there are many reasons why a partner may leave a relationship if there is no sexual